There's a few challenges to either starting a venture arm to the fund for the first time and entering the private markets, or just entering the private markets as a new fund in general. One of the challenges comes down to the back office. So I'm sure many people coming from the institutional or the banking world dread the thought of developing this kind of massive back office and administrative team. And certainly the trend increasingly is to run really lightweight funds. So a couple of partners and a couple of analysts, and that's kind of it. We, as Vested, can take over the role of that back office. There isn't necessarily need to have one big institutional style structure. You can present a very similar experience both to the investors and the targets in terms of a homogeneous legal entity and kind of a consistent onboarding experience without the need for that extra regulatory burden and without the need for all of the extra admin and costs that come along with that. The way that you would typically do it, you would either set up a custom nominee, so something that's branded in your name, or use an existing one like Vested Nominees, which is relatively well known across the market, and you would use it to join deals and kind of start deploying capital in the private market straight away as the deals come up without having to wait for those other elements to click into place. The experience for both sides of the table is very similar. So you, as the lead, can still take fees within certain parameters, and that's something that's definitely worth talking through. The investors coming on always deal with the same onboarding process and platform, so they'll be familiar with the Vested way of doing things. And then the target company still sees the same nominee entering round to round and across targets as well. One bonus of the structure also is that if you're running follow-on rounds and you're closing subsequent rounds even into the same target, whether or not the investors are all the same or all completely different, from the target company perspective, it's always that same nominee, simply increasing their shareholding. And you can have some investors qualify for EIS, some not. They'll all be pulled into the same nominee on the cap table.